I'd always been a pretty good student until I started using. What could it hurt? I mean, it was just pot. I didn't believe it was really a gateway drug. But then I dropped acid, and it was after that I started using meth. And then I realized I really needed the help. And then I was sent to Youth Town.
I've seen numerous kids' lives change from being there as an employee as well as on the referring end.
When I arrived at Eden, I realized that this wasn't just a rehab. The staff seemed to care about how I did in school, my physical health, my family, and even my spirituality.
Handling child addiction from a Christ-centered standpoint, I think, is the only way to go about it. And it's been really unique and fun for me as an executive and somebody that's given to watch it grow and become what it has today.
When you attach your treatment to finding deep faith or renewing your faith, you have irreversible life change. It just happens because once you add faith to it, I mean, your life is different forever.
It's an easy environment to love, and it's an easy environment for kids to really find themselves and change. So we have, over 100 acres on our campus, so I'm able to take them out and do therapy and do adventure-based activities outside with them outside of an office. Many times they forget that I'm a psychiatrist and that I'm actually doing therapy because they're having fun.
Although I had taken this bad girl image, school was still something I managed to do pretty well. I was afraid that if I went away for treatment, I would get behind, but it was just the opposite.
We're able to take them and hopefully to catch them up and even get them ahead in their credits at school by using the programs that we have.
Something that brings me joy while I'm here is not just the graduation that they have, but the ability of them to come in behind, to come in with so much baggage that they come in with, to see them succeed and see them when they have that moment of, oh my goodness, I can do this.
We believe in our students here. We believe that they can be successful. And because we believe that comes across to our students too, that they can believe in themselves. If they can be successful here, they can be successful when they leave here.
It's been over a year since I left Youth Town. I'm still sober and I just graduated from high school.
Success is one of those things you can measure so many different ways, and one way is seeing an expression of hope on a child's face for the first time. To listen to their stories and hear the hopelessness that has been the predominant theme, and then at some point begin to realize their life can be different, and to see them actually step into that change.
This fall, I'm starting at the University of Tennessee on a full scholarship. I can't wait to start this new chapter of my life. There are thousands of other girls and boys in Tennessee who share some of my story. There's so much more of this going on than people realize. I'm one of the lucky ones, but others aren't so lucky.
When I listen to them talk, I realize that we're the last stop before the street. And it's a street that is going to be a forever street. It's not just another period of time in a foster home or in the care of someone else. They may wind up on the street forever. And we're that last stop, we're that last intervention, and if they don't get it with us, they may not get it at all.
It's important to give back, and there are many organizations we can give to, but this is an epidemic that is affecting millions of teenagers, our teenagers and their friends, and thankfully we do have the resources so we can get our kids the help that they need, but there are countless families that don't. And so if you're able to help, it's just important because those kids deserve to be healed too.